The process for obtaining a Canadian student visa, also known as a study permit, varies depending on your country of citizenship and the institution you plan to study at. However, here is a general outline of the steps involved in the process. 1. Receive a letter of acceptance from a designated learning institution, DLI, in Canada. 2. Determine whether you need a study permit. If your course or program of study is less than 6 months, you may not need a study permit, but you may still need a visitor visa or an electronic travel authorization, ETA, depending on your country of citizenship. 3. Apply for a study permit. You can apply online or by paper application through the Canadian government's website. You will need to provide various documents such as your letter of acceptance, proof of financial support, and proof of language proficiency, usually English or French. You may also need to provide biometric information, fingerprints and a photograph. 4. Pay the application fee. The fee for a study permit application is CAD $150. 5. Wait for processing. The processing time for a study permit application can vary, but it typically takes several weeks or months. You may be required to attend an interview or provide additional information during the process. 6. Receive your study permit. If your application is approved, you will receive a letter of introduction that you will need to present to the immigration officer when you arrive in Canada. The officer will then issue your study permit. It's important to note that the Canadian government may require you to undergo a medical exam or obtain a police certificate as part of the application process. It's also a good idea to research any additional requirements